How can you master charisma? How can charisma change your life in less than 10 minutes? Have you ever gone to a place with lots of people and noticed that most of them are focused on one person? Yes, that person has charisma. In this video, I will teach you how to get it. I want you to pay close attention and give me all your focus, because you're gonna become a magnet for people. By the way, I am the maze master. My job is to help people get out of the maze. And this is not just any maze. It's the maze of life. I will help you discover new secrets and ideas. And I will make sure to change your life, financially, mentally, and physically. If this is your first time watching me, don't forget to follow me, because we might not meet again. I feel excited. Let's begin. Listen carefully. There is something amazing about charisma. No one is born with it. Either difficult experiences make someone charismatic, or they choose to change themselves. I think you are the second child, so you are in the right place. Everyone is different, even siblings in the same family, but this difference is positive. If you have charisma, you can influence those around you. Let's agree on one thing first. No matter your personality, gender, or appearance, you need to learn body language. I want you to learn how to use body language because it makes you the center of attention. I want your facial expressions, hands, and body movement to speak with you. I guarantee that if you are in a room with 100 people and you are the only one who knows how to use body language, all 99 people will focus on you. I will give you some basic tips for body language. One of them is level of expressions. For example, when you talk about something intense that happened to you, I want your body language to act it out. When you talk about something calm, I want you to relax your body and use small calm movements. I want you to be natural and not care what others say behind your back. Smile with your eyes only and don't show too much of your teeth. Your movement should be slow and confident, because slow movement shows strength and confidence. Remember, your voice is like a piano. You need to change its tone depending on how you feel, like speak in a happy tone when you are happy. Lastly, I want you to build a strong and fit body. Why? Because a fit body will give you more confidence. Over time you will feel powerful and people will respect you more. A fit body makes clothes look good on you and give you a powerful charismatic aura. This aura affects people even before you speak a word. Charisma isn't just about what you say. It's about how you make people feel. It's like a magnet that draws people in and shines through your posture and the sparkle in your eyes. Charisma is the art of deep communication without saying much. It's a powerful force that will change your interactions, relationships, and of course, your life. If you have watched this far, thank you. And if you like this video, share with your friend and follow me for more. I promise to change your life financially, mentally, and physically. I'm the master of the maze. Life is the maze. See you again.